What's up, everybody? It's Nathan Payne, aka Real Estate Nate. Guys, I got something cool to show you today of how I just made $4,500 with zero marketing spend. That's like my thing, right? That's like my mantra is like, let's try to get as many deals as we can without spending any money. $0. That's the goal. If that's your goal, that's my goal. I want to help you get there and show you guys how I do it, right? So literally you can just do what I'm doing and go make some money. If you want to save time and learn how to invest in real estate faster, go to investorthrive.com to master the sales process from our training so you can close more deals with less leads, even if you're only doing this part-time. Or if you don't know where to start and need help, give me a call at 385-398-9862 and let's chat. Guys, I just made a post last Friday, we just closed on a deal. We made $4,500. And I know that's not a lot, right? You guys it might be a lot to some of you, might not be a lot to others. Okay. So for us in the wholesaling world, that's a small deal. $4,500, that's not very big. But if you want to learn how to make that kind of money in a short amount of time with zero marketing spend, I'm going to show you guys. And honestly, this deal might have slipped under your guys' noses, if that's the saying.
Right under your nose.
I think that's it. Slipped under your noses. I'm gonna have to look that one up. Just the saying is, you guys might have missed out on this one, and I got it, but you could have gotten it too. So I'm not like bragging, saying, "Hey, I'm better than you." I'm just saying, like, everybody that it's a part of my network probably had the opportunity to get this deal, and I'm gonna show you what you can do next time. All right, everybody. So what I'm referring to is a variation of what I'm calling the painless wholesaling strategy or painless wholesaling method. What is the painless wholesaling strategy? It's just reverse wholesaling. Okay. What it is you find someone that has a deal, you see if it's a deal, and then you bring it to your buyers. Now, if you don't have buyers, then, that's something you need to work on if you want to do the painless wholesaling method. You need to get tight, really tight with your buyers, find out what they're buying. It's a little bit more difficult to do this nationwide. The most effective way to do painless wholesaling strategy is to have great relationships with your buyers where you can just call them immediately and say, hey, I have a deal. Are you interested? Now, this deal was outside of my market. This deal was in Kansas City. So we actually had to go out and dispo this one and, go through the process of, going through Facebook groups, calling agents, doing our dispositions process. But normally with the painless wholesaling strategy, you should just, you see a deal, it looks decent. You should just text or call your top 10 buyers that you have and ask them if they want it. If they do, lock it up and put your fee in there. Now, guys, I've done this and I'm showing you how to do this. I did this last week. I made $10,000 and I should have recorded my time, but I spent maybe 3 or 4 hours to make 10K last week. And then I did another deal on Friday that closed. So 14,500 with zero marketing spend and little time, like maybe 4 or 5 to make 10K. It's awesome. That's why I like this strategy so much, because I've done running a giant wholesale team and I've done reverse wholesaling, painless wholesaling. And I personally think painless wholesaling, it's less work. And I like that because I'm doing other things. I'm like running other businesses. So now you guys can message me on, Discord. You can message me on Messenger. If you have questions or you just want to connect and chat, that's great. That's how I connect. That's how I message. But if you want to call me, if you want to ask me a question, I'm actually going to give out my number at the end of this and you guys can call me. I'm not always 100% available, but call me, and if I am, I'll talk to you. So how did I make $4,500 and how can you guys do it too? So let's dive right in. I got to share my screen. Basically, one of the key ways to doing the painless wholesaling strategy is you have to find a deal. So this is my Discord channel. I don't know if anyone's a part of it. If you're not a part of the Discord channel, that's okay. You can join it, but I basically created a community. I have a Facebook group and that's great. Facebook's good, but they kind of limit what posts that you can make and like your reach. So I started a Discord channel that has different channels. One of them obviously, is private for my students. But other than that, the general chat, Collaboration Nation, collaborating with people, deals you can do direct to seller, that's in there too. Daisy chaining. I actually have people specifically say if they're daisy chaining just because I want to know if the person that's posting the deals they have direct to seller actually have it direct under contract. There's some free bonus materials, blah, 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 blah. Okay. But this is how I got the deal. And this is how you guys can get deals too. So under deals you have direct to seller, people sometimes put deals that they have that they need help JVing on. Okay. It basically says that in the channel. Deals you have direct to seller and need help dispoing or finding a buyer. Okay. So people are messaging in here. So it looks like Christy, she had a deal in Valdosta. I haven't messaged her about it. Anybody can see this, by the way. Any buyers in Pittsburgh, this Chambers, this guy's looking for a deal. Scott. So this is where it came down to. I'm friends with Scott. He told me he had a deal. I was like, yeah, I got some buyers in Kansas City. I can help you. You want a JV on it? He's like, sure. Yeah. I told him like, hey, you look for your own buyers. Obviously, if you can get it, great. If not, then, I'll help you dispo and we can JV on it. So he tried finding his own buyers. He actually posted his deal in here, but it looks like no comments, no reactions. Who knows who reached out to him? But I reached out to him and I said, hey, man, you have it at 430. That's what you're trying to sell it at. What do you have it under contract for? So he told me, and I said, hey, if I can get anything above that and you can't find your own buyer, let's split it. And he's like, okay. So we ended up finding a buyer for it. This house was on the MLS. It was listed on the MLS. So yes, you can wholesale deals that are on market. Okay. Let me show you this. This property was listed for, so it was listed for 519, guys. That's what they listed it for. Okay. And guess what? It went all the way down to 445. This is what the listing said. I think he got it down to 380. Okay. He went and got it under inspection, got him to negotiate him down, got him 380. And we wholesaled it to an agent that had a buyer for, obviously the spread that we got. Okay. So just because a house is listed super high does not mean there's no motivation, does not mean that you're not gonna be able to work out a deal. Okay. So that's it, guys. Like, this deal was in the Discord channel. Everybody that's a part of the Discord group should have seen it. And maybe they did, they just didn't care. But I just reached out to him and I said, hey, I can help you find a buyer, brother. I can do it. I know how to do it. And he said, okay. So we went out and found a buyer and made money. That's it. I didn't talk to the agent, spent zero time negotiating the deal, and I just connected a buyer for $4,500. It's just paper and relationships, right? So I'm not saying like it's super easy that anyone can do it. I believe anyone can do it, but that's the gist of it, everybody. I mean, there's nothing crazy. I wanted to let you know that, like, you are as powerful as your buyers. Like, yes, you can get on that dialer like I have using, specific strategies. And one of them, I'll explain to you how to do one of them right now. All you got to do is get tight. When you see a deal come across the MLS, you see a deal come across my Discord channel. Again, it's right here. Join it. It's free. If you don't know how to join it, go to my Facebook group. It's in this section. Or if you just type in Discord, you join. Look at the deals that come on here. Go make some money. So you find tons of, top buyers in your market. You see a deal come across any way you can. You connect, you call them and you say, hey, you want this deal? How much would you pay for it? Okay, you can pay 400,000. He wants 380. Okay, hey, I can pay 390. So then you can make 10 and you can wholesale it. Sorry, wait, let me do the math again. So your wholesale, the person that has the deal has got 380. Your buyer says he can do 390, for example. So if you want to make a wholesale fee, you got to basically put your spread in there, right? Does anyone have any questions so far on how to, do the painless wholesaling method, or have any questions like how you can make money by just connecting people and dispoing properties and not having to negotiate, or any questions in general? What's another way I can find an absentee owner? I think it's from Stephen Ian. Says, what's another way I can find an absentee owner? So let's share the good old screen again. This is a really easy way to find out if someone is an absentee owner. So let's do an example. We're in Salt Lake City, Utah. I want to find absentee owners that potentially might be wanting to sell their home. So this is kind of the thing. When you call a list absentee owners, you're not sure if they want to sell either, but this is a good way to find absentee owner. So absentee owner means someone that just doesn't live in the house. So if someone doesn't live in the house, what are they most likely going to do? They're going to be renting out their property, right? So that's what absentee owners do, is they have rentals. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to look at what places are renting. And instead of calling them to rent the place, I'm going to ask if they would be open to selling. So why don't I try one? Let's do it. Overgrown grass and vacant properties and owners. Yeah, overgrown grass and vacant properties, definitely absentee owners. Overgrown grass, maybe not so much. That might just be someone lazy. Sometimes my grass gets overgrown. So I hear you. So this is the thing. If you call and you see something like asset management cash, these might be listed by property managers. Usually if it's an apartment, it's usually by an asset management company. I'm telling you, this is one of the ways to find an absentee owner. There we go. Okay, well, let's try a property management company. Let's do it. Let's call a property management company. 2707. Again, if you're doing the painless wholesaling strategy, you're going to be doing this in specific areas where you have buyers, so you're not just wasting your time. Hello?
What? What the fuck?
Hello? Yeah, shoot. I didn't really catch much of that. Let me try it again. Maybe she'll answer again. I think that was her voicemail. Daphne. Lay. Come on, Daphne. We're live. Come on.
Hello?
Is this Daphne?
Yes.
Hi, Daphne. I'm calling about your house that's I think it's rent for rent in 4054 West Aquarius Circle.
This one already rented out yesterday. Yeah,
Ah,
I will take off the post
is it your house or are you a property management company?
on the property management. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, I have a question. Do you have a couple minutes or are you busy?
It's okay. Yeah.
So Daphne, I wanted to ask you, I'm a buyer. I'm looking to buy a property and I usually like to call houses that are for rent because sometimes the owners that are have the houses for rent, they want to sell. Do you know if any of the properties you manage, do you know if any of the sellers want to sell?
Yeah, I have one in Lehigh, the Travis Mountain. Yeah.
Do you have the address so I can look it up?
Yeah, I can text you.
You saying that the sellers want to sell or the owners want to sell?
Uh-huh. I post it on summer.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe because the seller put too high, but I
Mm.
told them maybe lower the price.
Is it currently listed on the market or is it not on the market right now?
I just take off the market.
I'm looking for a good deal. Do you think they'll give me a good deal, like, so I can, buy the house, or are they looking for top dollar?
I think over there you can see the location, right?
Mhm, mhm.
And then the house is very good condition.
Oh, it's in great
Even though,
condition?
yeah, and
Okay.
then he repair everything and we just finish all the landscaping.
Sounds like a great house.
Yeah. Only one thing the seller didn't want to change the carpet
Oh my gosh.
because
Come on. They didn't
yeah,
wanna do
and I
that?
said yeah, I said only 2,000 or 3,000, only the first floor. Yeah, and then it will be totally different. Say, oh no, I spent too much money for the
Mm.
landscaping and
Mhm,
fixing the
mhm.
yard, and that's why I don't have any money.
I
I
mean,
said,
the carpet makes such a big difference when you're trying to sell a house.
yeah,
Daphne, can you do me a favor? Can you send me the information on that? Can you text it to me? Because I am
uh-huh.
interested in the property. I look and I buy anything. If it makes sense and it's a deal, send me the deal and I'll tell you if I can buy it or not. Okay.
Okay, you're the investment
Yes.
investor.
I'm an investor. Yeah. So
Okay.
I have a couple flips going on right now. And if it's something that I don't want, I have a lot of, business partners and people I work with too. So if it doesn't work for me, I can always send it off to them. But, either way, I buy or, I invest with other partners.
Okay, yeah, I send you address first. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna take a look at it and then I'll let you
Mm-hmm.
know. First
Yeah.
off, send me the
Okay.
information. I'll run some comps because I'd love to
Sure.
look at it, but if it doesn't make sense for me or if I can't get it at the price that makes sense, because you know how it is, interest rates are
Yeah.
high. So if it doesn't make sense, maybe
Yeah.
maybe we can do another one. But I'd love for you to save my number in your phone and send me
Mm-hmm.
any deals of anyone you know that wants to sell because I'm looking to flip
Mm-hmm.
properties.
Oh, you want the flip? Okay. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I may have two. Yeah, but it's rental right now. And then if they want it, I let you know. Okay.
Do you are you an agent as well, or do you just do property management?
I'm the agent. Yeah.
Okay, you do both. You do property management and you're an agent?
Uh huh. Yes.
Wow, you do a lot, Daphne. That's awesome.
Yeah, because most of my clients are out of country.
Mm?
That's why after they
Oh.
bought the property, I need to helping them to watching their house.
Well, I love it. I love it, and
uh,
I think me and you can build a relationship where we can work together because I'm always buying. It sounds like you have good clients. So, please send me what you have and maybe we can do some business together.
hey, okay. What's your name? Sorry.
My name is Nathan.
Okay, Nathan. Because right now the house is expensive.
Oh, tell
Because
me about
if
it.
you bought the house back and then you fix it and then you flip it, maybe we will sit on the market.
Yeah, yeah. You know what we could do is if you have any clients that want to sell, if you give it to me and I buy it, then maybe once it's done flipping, I can use you to resell it.
Okay, yeah, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Okay,
All
yeah.
right. All right. I'll text
Okay,
you my
thank you.
name too, so you can put in your phone. All right.
Okay,
All
yes,
right. Yeah.
thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye.
See ya. There you go, guys. So we just called Daphne. She's a super cool lady. She has she's property management agent. She says she has some people that want to sell. She represents foreign investors. That's a good contact to have. So I'm gonna text her my info and hopefully we can do some deals together. And that was from me calling, trying to find absentee owners, calling property. I call the property management company, but hey, why not? mean, we just saw how it works. So that's the thing, guys. You want to do deals, you just got to pick up the phone or text somebody. Like, you're not going to make any money or do anything unless like you're talking to someone or putting an offer. So for me, this is the KPIs that when you do the painless wholesaling method, these are the KPIs that really matter. You got to analyze at least 10 deals a day. So you just got to look at deals, see if they're deals, talk to 10 buyers a day just to keep the relationships going, and make 5 offers a day. If you do that, you're going to be getting a deal once a month, guaranteed, promise. There's just no way you can't, right? So Steven, that's one of the ways you can find absentee owners that are selling. You can call properties that are being rented currently. Yeah, that's how to do it. So here it is, guys. So if you want to call me, don't text it, because this is just a phone that goes in my CRM so I can keep track of who's calling me and make tasks to respond. Here it is, everybody. That's my number. Oh, hold on. Let me get it scrolling around the bottom, because that's dope when you get the scroll going. Yeah. Call my number if you want. If you want to talk, great. If you don't, whatever. But the purpose of you calling me is just, if I can help you out. If you're trying to get into real estate, trying to get into wholesaling, you want some pointers, don't be calling me, in the middle of the night, just trying to chat. I mean, maybe I might feel up to it, but yeah. So if you want to talk, hit me up. Does anybody want to try call me right now? See if it works. Don't be shy. Don't be nervous. This is Nathan's call answering service. Yeah. You like that? Yo, okay. Ish, give me a call, brother. Let's do it. Don't be afraid. Yeah, I'll wait. I'll wait till you call, Ish. Oh, let's go. Hello? Is this Ish?
Yes, sir. What's going on, Nathan? How you doing?
Oh, doing good. Hey, Ish. So is that your full name, Ish?
My full name is Ishmael.
Ishmael.
Ish is just short, man, because everyone, when I say Ishmael, they add the H, so it just stuck.
I got you, man. Well, I'll call you Ish if that's okay, or you want Ishmael?
Ish is perfect.
Okay, brother. All right, man. Well, hey, I'm going to end this live. I appreciate you calling me. Let's talk after. Call me in like maybe 5 or 10 minutes and let's chat. Let me see how I can help you out.
You got it. I'd love to, Nathan. I'll talk to you soon, brother. Appreciate
Okay.
it.
Thanks for watching, man. Peace.
No, absolutely. All right, bye.
Yeah, bye. All right. Look, I answered my phone. Ish just called me. I'm going to talk to him later. If you guys want to chat, let's do it. But anyway, hey guys, let's go make some money. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, because I'm gonna be going live 6 days a week, dropping bombs, trying to help everybody here make money. And if I'm not helping you make money, then obviously you ain't gonna watch it. So I'll talk to you guys later.